The estimated cost of physiotherapy for the 179 million European citizens living with a neurological condition is 798 billion euros. Physical rehabilitation aims to restore the independence and quality of life of affected people. Unfortunately, patients do not receive the recommended amount of physical therapy, and there is a lack of therapists for a need that can last for months or even years for millions of people who suffer from it. Physio Galenus enables remote physical rehabilitation, supports full-body repetitive task training, gives real-time feedback and encouragement to the patient, and provides an automatic assessment of patient movement and progress to the clinician. Rehabilitation routines and exercises can be customized by the physiotherapist clinician using Physio Galenus and defining a rehabilitation routine that will be adapted to each patient and their level of progress. Physio Galenus is a cloud-based, scalable technological solution, a safe investment option for a program that has already been very positively evaluated by clinicians and patients in the UK and Spain. How does Physio Galenus work? The system only requires a computer or laptop and a standard webcam, which makes Physio Galenus accessible and easy to use. Live audio-video communication is available to connect the clinician and the patient when required. Benefits: patients receive more frequent guided sessions with no need to travel to the clinic in a motivating environment recreated by the system for the patient to practice at home. Clinicians are provided with an automated assessment of the patient's function and allows multiple patients to be supervised simultaneously. Physio Galenus represents a low-cost solution for service and healthcare providers and makes it possible to reach patients in remote and under-serviced areas. Investment opportunity: suitable for innovative investors looking for an investment-ready project. With a very professional and dedicated team that truly believes in the concept, aiming to expand business or even sell it later to some bigger company. The opportunity is real and the time to invest is now. The need in the market exists, and we have the low-cost solution with a powerful yet simple to use and automated platform based on artificial intelligence. Physio Galenus will mark a turning point in terms of accessible technology for remote supervision.